Hello guys, another video for Corsa 1.2D series from 2007. Like you see here, my door handle is peeling, so I'm going to change it with the new one. This one, it's not very good condition as well, but it's much better than this one. So what you need to do, there is a 5 screw, one here in the door, one here, and one here, if you can see it, one on the bottom and one on the side here, if you see. So how we remove this one, you need to push it with some debit cards and this will come off. Another thing is you need to lift the Windows machine. You see here there is a clip that you just need to press it on the both sides and this can come out. Also what we need, we pull this backwards. There is a click here, you press it, push down, and this is off. So from here you just need with the same smart card just to push out the cover and everything will be accessible. I will show you in the next minute. Okay, after you remove the cover, you need to unplug the small speaker here, otherwise this will be pulled a lot, and the machine here is attached to that wire. So what we can do is just this, try with one hand. So the trick is you pull this like that on the back and push it on the back side, and this come off and this come off. So now we have the cover removed, and like you see, our machine here is probably damaged. Somebody do something here which is not nice. So how should looks the right one as this one. There is a spring here. If you see the spring need to be the same position. You just need to release that spring things a little bit, and this will be lifted up, and I can remove the old one and replace the new one. So it's removed. The important thing is, if you see the spring, there is a small gap there that need to go to the top of the spring, and the bottom of the spring is attached here. What you need to just push a little bit forward and pull up, and the same need to be on reverse. You need that top things to go on that middle part and this click. So like you can see, the new one is already fit. So you can notice it's correct because there is a tension here. It's moving not freely, it's just moving back and forwards, and yeah, everything else is easy. Okay, this is ready. I want just to show something. This is how it looks, the old one. Somebody repaired that things. I think they use soldering things with wire and put it on the place. If you see the top, let me focus, the top one, where is that little gap, the spring going, is a little bit peel off. I can just push it and this can come off. So be aware that soon maybe your also will break. This is on Corsa 1.2, probably 1.4. So what I was thinking, this looks quite good. There is a small crack here, if you can notice. Small crack, but I think still you can use it. So if I haven't got that unit, I was thinking just to take it off, like I show you. Use a sand, remove that peeling color, and just use some spray. For this one can use a dark spray, whatever spray you like, whatever accent you want to push. For me, dark will be fine. So this is just an idea what you can do. Just if you don't have a new one, just remove it, remove that peeling things, because I can peel it. Probably if you play with this half an hour, you can remove everything, spray it with a nice spray, and it will be fixed. So that's all from me. Thanks for watching.